All right, so this is just an example. I took one of Jim's posts that I think was also AI generated, and I put it in here as the post content. Now I'm going to set the initial number of comments to, let's say, 3. So what it's going to do is grab this content, send it to the OpenAI API, and ask it to loop through a random selection of commenters based on how many times I said here, and I guess how many times total there, or how many users there are total, and each time generate and insert a comment. And it's all going to happen on the transition of the post to publish here. So we'll see it's going to take a little more time here to generate because it's got to do this 3 times. And then on completion, we should be able to go to the front end, see 3 comments, and I'll show you how the other piece works. So we could go even crazier here. So here we go. All right. I don't know why it keeps doing 4. All right, I'll have to look into that, but it doesn't really matter. Some number anyway. So each time it's checking on the user and it looks at a couple different fields about how they should write and what their kind of personality is, and then injects the comment. Now I can also do responses like this on the front end if I'm an admin. Right. So you can do some stuff like that. Now, if you think about it, it's kind of crazy how much automation I could turn in here and how I could do it based on time and, have things happen with gaps in between them intentionally to make this seem more real and, just a million different ways I could tweak this to make it seem like a real interaction, which is cool in certain ways and could be a lot of fun and used in I don't know, a lot of entertaining ways, but will also undoubtedly be used in the most evil ways possible. But it is helpful to know what is and isn't possible.